Today's data driven world, speed and reliability are everything. Business leaders don't just want data, they want timely, accurate insights without waiting on manual processes or worrying about outdated reports. At Acrivent Solutions, we recently took on a challenge many organizations face. How do we transform a raw data file into a fully refreshed, decision ready Power BI report automatically? The process begins the moment a file is uploaded. So let's quickly upload a file into our lakehouse so that we can trigger the process. So now, as soon as the file is uploaded to the lakehouse, this now automatically will trigger a pipeline which will take this raw data, clean it, standardize it, align formats, apply validations, and then shape it into a structure that's ready for analytics. Let's quickly move on to the pipeline to show you that it has been triggered. Now, as you can see, the pipeline is now in progress and has automatically been triggered. So after the data is cleaned, it is then transformed into a semantic model layer that defines business metrics once and reuses them everywhere. This ensures consistent numbers across dashboards and removes the risk of teams calculating the same metric in different ways. This is then connected to a Power BI report, which is built on the lakehouse itself. And every time new data arrives, this report refreshes automatically, so users can always see the most up to date information without clicking a refresh button. And to complete this loop, the pipeline then sends an automated data notification confirming that the data has been processed and the report is ready to view. So now we will come back once this pipeline finishes processing. As you can see, the pipeline has now finished processing, and I have received a mail saying the Power BI report has been successfully created. So now if I click on this button, this will now reroute me to the report in Power BI. And as you can see, this Power BI report has been refreshed with the latest data that has just been uploaded and is also an interactive report. So for example, if I wanted to look at just one particular phase of this project, I can click on it and it will automatically filter the rest of the visuals to reflect data regarding that phase. And similarly, this works for all other visuals as well. So if I wanted to check the client sales just for this particular client, I can once again click on it and it will automatically filter the report for the rest. So this is just one example of how Acrivent Solutions helps organizations simplify data workflows and modernize analytics. If you would like to explore how this approach can work for your organization, we would be happy to collaborate.